1 maxed out MacBook Pro, 1 iPad Pro. Yo, this is Oscar, and I am coming back to the design world. Will these tools help me become a professional product designer within these couple of months? Welcome to my YouTube series on Dodefy, my journey to becoming a product designer.
Hope you guys are being safe and doing good. Here's my update. Guess which bootcamp I registered for? It took me a while to do my research. I was hesitating between GeneralAssembly, Thinkful, and Springboard. I knocked out Thinkful after hearing that it is not as popular. I was more leaning towards GeneralAssembly because a lot of graduates have been very successful with GeneralAssembly. More people have worked for popular companies in GeneralAssembly than Springboard. Also, there's a lot more graduates in GeneralAssembly, which I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I was watching YouTubers' experiences with GeneralAssembly, and one YouTuber, her name was Hello, I'm Alexa, stated that she could tell when people graduate in GeneralAssembly. It made it look like a generic school. I don't really want to be like the others. I want to stand out and be different. Another YouTuber, Jen Buns, she also mentioned that she would have not chosen GeneralAssembly if she were to pick a different bootcamp. She based it off different employers who looked down on GeneralAssembly. So I wasn't too sure what that actually meant. Following that comparison, I then compared their syllabus. I really like how Springboard had a UI track, in which GeneralAssembly does not offer. Usually most bootcamps offer just UX. Another reason Springboard drew my attention is because of the job guarantee condition. If they are unable to find me a job within 6 months, then I can get full refund on my tuition. Using the deferred tuition payment option, which requires no payment until you get a job. Using this method costs a chunk of $15,000. So there is also an upfront payment, which is half, around $7,000. There's also more payment options after you graduate. There's monthly to monthly while enrolled, and then monthly to monthly after you graduate. Remember that all payments options require some sort of deposit. GeneralAssembly also offers similar rates. The cost for full tuition is $14,500. GeneralAssembly upfront is $13,950. So Springboard upfront is way less, around half, than GeneralAssembly. GeneralAssembly also has a $0 upfront cost until you land a job. Both offer similar plans but at different prices. Springboard also offers a whopping $500 discount. I will be providing that in the description below. Remember that they also require you to make deposits upon registering. You can apply the promo code on checkout. So another important factor is that GeneralAssembly will have to pay monthly more if you go that route. The program is 12 weeks, which is only 3 months full time. This means you will need to hustle for 8 hours a day. That is like high school all over again. Even college was not as long as this schedule. On the other side, Springboard program is 9 months, while in part-time. If you were to do this full-time, it'll probably be around 4 to 6 months. Keep in mind Springboard also offers pay-to-pay monthly to monthly basis, which you can go on your own pace and finish the program faster if you would like. I'm not too sure if GeneralAssembly offers that. I believe 3 months versus 4 to 6 months is such a big difference. I would rather get more education, and I would rather not be rushed to finish the program. I understand it's fast because people want to get a job quick, and that is one of the reasons of bootcamps. Think about it. A bachelor's degree takes around 4 years. in order to learn in depth, the career takes a longer time. The longer into your education, the more quality you will get, I believe. So, I decided to go for Springboard for my next career path. In order to be a product designer, you must be a qualified UX and UI designer. I believe this will help me get closer to my ultimate goal. I registered for the month of May, and I am ready to take on this challenge. Here we go, part-time school. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in bootcamps. Which one did you end up choosing and your experience? Till next time, peace.